Hello, welcome everyone to Kadabe Time Limited. This is one of the branches that we have, and it's a wood business. As you can see behind me, we have unfinished bed, which is right here, and also my workers right there. They're working on the stools, 1, 2, 3, and also they're working on finishing another bed for another customer. So we will be making all sort of furniture that you will be requiring for your home, for your business, for your office, everything from A to Z. So we also sell wood. As you can see here, we have this wood right here is called eucalyptus, and locally in Rwanda people call it calyptus. We are selling, if you are looking for wood for your construction or for whatever business you have, please don't forget to come and visit us at Kadabe Time Limited Wood Workshop right here in Narama, Kanzenzi sector. And I could also show you, there's another type of wood that we have right here. This wood right here is called sapling. It's also available for sale, but also we're using it to make furniture. There is a very important piece of wood which is very expensive, but also make the furniture solid and look good. This wood right here is called pinus, and locally they call it pinus in Rwanda. So please, if you are looking to purchase, if you are looking for furniture, if you are looking to construct anything and that you require some sort of like wood work, please come. At Kadabe Time Limited Workshop, we do good work. We have a saw cutting machine, we have a wood washing machine, and as you can see, we use grinding. We grind our work, we make it very good. We also use sanders right here for easy and smooth surface. In here, my team are working on finishing the products. As you could see, this area here is the work station. So the wood will be transported from that side, of course, from the supplier, coming all the way down to our workshop. We stuck it right there in that section, because as you could see where I'm pointing my finger. And then in here, this is the first step where we cut the wood and we wash it. And then we come to assembly it right here. As you could see, Alexander, say hi. Hi. Alexander is taking a bed box or bed pallet for the queen bed that we are making right now, and this is their assembling area. As you could see, he has just taken one, but this is also another part of the bed that he's making. We also sell, we make also blackboard. If you are looking, if you have a restaurant, if you have a business, if you have a school, right, and you are interested in getting blackboards, you can also come and visit us. And right here, my beautiful wife, Jennifer, she is doing everything possible to make this business successful in terms of like, admin, in terms of like finance. Without her, this business will not run. Jennifer, say hi.
Hi.
So what are you doing basically?
Basically writing down the inventory stock that we have.
Okay.
And I am adding up our sales so far, and I'm adding up our purchases. So far we have made 1 million.
Good.
6,000 in our sales, and we are going up from here.
Perfect. That's good. So basically, what Jennifer does, she's doing very amazing work, assisting our workers to know exactly how to do inventory, stocking, all that kind of things. And we are making, actually she introduced something that we do counting of every single wood. We do like opening stock, closing stock every day in the morning, and that will help us understand like how many wood we have, and then if we need to get more suppliers from our suppliers in the northern province or also in the southern province. So if you are also a supplier, please give us a call with your great deal, right? So we will be buying a lot of wood from you. So Jenny, how is it so far? Like, do you have like a lot of customers coming in here?
Good, good. I'm really enjoying it. Most of our customers have requested for small things like keychain holders, spatulas for cooking, cutting board, closets, beds, and we have been doing good so far.
Amazing. And also, Jennifer did not mention, we also have keychain holders. So this is just the beginning. We're working on it. We'll make it look good. If you're looking for a keychain holder to put in your house, please stop by. Anything from kitchen to your bedroom to your construction, building a new building, come and step by. And anything else, Jennifer, you want to ask or you want to say to your customers for people who want to make deal or make business with you?
Yes, just reach out to us on Instagram. We are on Instagram. We are on Facebook, on TikTok. If you would like to buy anything for your house or decoration items, we are available. You can DM us on Kadabe Time directly on any of these platforms.
And also on YouTube, you can find us. We do a lot of videos about lifestyle, but also about farming. And now we are in the wood business. You will see one of the videos that we've been posting earlier in Canada. It was like about, and this wood business actually started from a passion. Me and my wife, we used to do it, and now it's turning into a big business that we are doing right here in Narama, Bugesera, Rwanda. So, if you are wondering how to reach us, you should come all the way from Kigali. You reach at Narama before Nemata, and just you take the right, and then you will ask about the workshops here in Narama before Nelson Mandela School. Until next time, I'll see you with more and more promising and amazing products from Kadabe Time Limited team. Take care. Thank you. So for customers who speaks like Kinyarwanda, I would like to ask my colleague right here, Alexander, to say something to you. Alexander, say something to people in Rwanda.
Mwiriwe neza muraho. Twitwa Kadabe Time, dukorera Intarama, Karere ka Bugesera, utaragera Nyamata kuri Arete, hepfo y'amashuri ya Nelson Mandela. Dukora ibikoresho bitandukanye by'ububaji, dukora bitanda, imeza, intebe, tubati, ibikoresho byose byo mu nzu. Tubitangira ku giciro cyiza cyane, ducuruza imbaho ku bakeneye ubwubatsi, yose turabaha serivisi zose turazibagezaho.
Amazing. Good. And right here, Makita is right here. He is the big boss in here, and he's working on everything that makes your business. Makita, say hi in Kinyarwanda.
Muraho neza, nitwa Makita, ni izina ry'akazi, ariko nitwa Victor.
Amazing.
Aha rero ndi umubaji hano muri iyi company. Ubwo dukora ibintu bitandukanye byerekeranye n'ububaji, bikomoka ku biti na MDF, ibintu bigiye bitandukanye, utubati, intebe, imeza zigezweho, amadiva, ibintu byinshi bigiye bitandukanye, ibintu byose wabibariza aha ngaha.
Thank you, Makita. Thank you. All right, so you know the drill. We got Makita, we got Alexander, we got Jennifer, you got me, of course. But also, if you would like to purchase some sand dust, you can also buy it. It's a good quality right here. If you have a chicken farm, or if you want to use it for whatever purpose you want to use it, you're making MDF or anything, please come and stop by. See you later.